Welcome to AM Auto Master Car, your go-to destination for in-depth automotive reviews and insights. Today we're diving into the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup, a remarkable blend of classic design and modern innovation. The 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup pays homage to the iconic square body trucks of the 1970s, celebrating their 50th anniversary with a modern twist. This special edition combines the rugged charm of the original with contemporary features and performance enhancements. Under the hood, the Vintage Pickup offers a range of powertrain options to suit various driving needs. The base model comes equipped with a 2.7L Turbomax inline-4 engine producing 310 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking more power, there's a 5.3L V8 delivering 355 horsepower and 383 lb-ft of torque, and a 6.2L V8 generating 420 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque. Additionally, a 3.0L Duramax turbo diesel engine is available, offering 305 horsepower and an impressive 495 lb-ft of torque. The Vintage Pickup's exterior design captures the essence of the classic square body trucks with its boxy silhouette, bold front grille, and chrome accents. LED lighting enhances visibility, while the multi-pro tailgate adds versatility for various cargo needs. Inside, the cabin seamlessly blends retro aesthetics with modern technology. Premium materials like leather and wood trim create a luxurious atmosphere. The dashboard features a large digital display providing essential vehicle information, and the infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. Safety is a priority in the Vintage Pickup, with advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. A comprehensive suite of airbags and a 360-degree camera system further enhance occupant protection. The Vintage Pickup is available in various configurations to cater to different preferences. Cab options include regular, double, and crew cabs, while bed lengths range from short to long boxes. This versatility ensures that whether you're using the truck for work or leisure, there's a setup that fits your needs. In terms of performance, the Vintage Pickup doesn't disappoint. The 6.2L V8 engine, for instance, offers robust acceleration and towing capabilities, making it suitable for both highway cruising and heavy-duty tasks. The 10-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth gear shifts and optimal fuel efficiency. The truck's suspension system has been tuned to provide a comfortable ride without compromising on handling. Whether navigating city streets or off-road trails, the Vintage Pickup delivers a balanced driving experience. For those interested in off-roading, the AT4X variant offers enhanced capabilities. It features a 2-inch lifted suspension with off-road tuned Rancho shock absorbers, skid plates, and specialized badging. This model is designed to tackle challenging terrains while maintaining the comfort and luxury expected from a GMC vehicle. The Vintage Pickup also caters to tech enthusiasts. Higher trims come equipped with a 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a 12-speaker Bose audio system, and a 15-inch head-up display. These features ensure that drivers stay connected and entertained on the go. In terms of pricing, the base model starts at approximately $40,500, with higher trims like the Denali Ultimate reaching up to $87,000. This range allows buyers to choose a model that fits their budget and desired features. For our viewers in Pakistan, the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500, which shares many features with the Vintage Pickup, is available at a starting price of PKR $12,420,000. This model offers a 2.7L inline-4 gas engine, 8-speed automatic transmission, and a host of safety and convenience features. In conclusion, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup is a testament to GMC's commitment to blending heritage with innovation. It offers the nostalgic appeal of classic trucks while incorporating modern technology, performance, and safety features. Whether you're a long-time GMC enthusiast or new to the brand, the Vintage Pickup is a compelling choice that honors the past while embracing the future. Absolutely. Let's continue the script from where we left off, diving even deeper into the features, design philosophy, user impressions, and long-term expectations for the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup. The 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup is more than just a celebration of the past. It's a strategic move by GMC to capture a unique market segment, drivers who admire the aesthetic of vintage trucks but require the capability, comfort, and safety of today's vehicles. This vehicle isn't a restomod or a limited edition vanity project. It's a fully capable modern truck, engineered to work hard and look good doing it. Let's take a moment to talk about design. The 2025 Vintage Pickup isn't just retro for retro's sake. The design team at GMC consulted with automotive historians, designers from the original Square Body era, and even classic truck enthusiasts to get the lines, proportions, and character just right. The squared-off fenders, the upright stance, the flat hood all contribute to a silhouette that immediately reads as classic GMC. But then there's the detailing. LED lights, active grille shutters for aerodynamic efficiency, and even functional hood vents on V8 models that plants it firmly in the modern age. Another highlight is the customization available to buyers. GMC offers several vintage-inspired paint colors exclusive to this model, including Heritage Blue, Copper Canyon, Forest Mist, and Desert Sand. These colors are complemented by unique badging, throwback GMC emblems, and available two-tone paint, schemes that bring back the iconic color breaks from the 70s and 80s. The chrome bumpers and polished aluminum wheels complete the nostalgic yet polished look. Moving to the interior, GMC has truly outdone themselves. While the base trims offer rugged practicality, the upper trims elevate the experience into near-luxury territory. You'll find rich leather in saddle brown or jet black, real wood accents, brushed metal finishes, and a dashboard design that combines analog charm with digital precision. The instrument cluster, for instance, features analog speedometer and tachometer dials with a digital screen nestled in the middle, offering trip info, tire pressure, navigation prompts, and more. Comfort and usability were top priorities. The seats have been redesigned for long-haul comfort, featuring heating, ventilation, and 16-way power adjustability in the higher trims. There's ample room in the crew cab configuration for adults in both the front and back, with clever storage, solutions under the seats, in the center console, and even behind the rear seat backs. One impressive feature is the integration of Google built-in. You get Google Assistant, Google Maps, and the Play Store directly in the infotainment system. This allows for natural voice commands, real-time traffic updates, and the ability to add apps like Spotify or Audible without ever plugging in a phone. This is in addition to wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, of course. On the road, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup drives like a modern SUV rather than an old-school truck. Thanks to the updated suspension geometry, electric power steering, and sound-dampening materials throughout the cabin, road and wind noise are minimal. Acceleration is brisk with the V8 engines, and the turbocharged four-cylinder does an admirable job with city driving and light towing. Speaking of towing, GMC has equipped the Vintage Pickup with the pro-grade trailering system, including trailer sway control, integrated trailer brake controller, trailer tire pressure monitoring, and an available transparent trailer view that uses cameras to virtually see through the trailer behind you. This makes hauling a boat or camper feel much more secure and less stressful. And let's not forget off-road capability. The AT4 and AT4X trims bring serious trail-ready hardware to the table. With locking front and rear differentials, DSSV, spool valve dampers, and Goodyear Wrangler DuraTrack tires, these models are made for rock crawling, mudslinging, and dune bashing. Hill descent control and one-pedal driving in off-road mode give you fine-tuned control over steep terrain. Owners who have had early access to the Vintage Pickup through media programs and dealership demos have had overwhelmingly positive things to say. The nostalgia factor is real. Many mention that it reminds them of the